Hey guys, it's Scott. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks to everyone for supporting the channel. It's July 4th, 2021. It's time to have a little bit of fun with the guitar and maybe let off a little fireworks. If you've ever strummed the open strings of a guitar in standard tuning, you may have noticed that it sounds, well, how shall we say, not so good. Standard tuning uses the notes E, A, D, G, B, E on the strings, and this forms a chord known as an E minor 7 add 11. Now the E, G, B, and D notes, that forms an E minor 7 chord, and there's an extra A left over, and that's in the 4th or the 11th position, and that's what gives us the E minor 7 add 11 as our chord. Now tuning the A string to B, the D string to E, and the G string to G sharp moves us to the open E tuning, where when we strum all the strings, we're going to form an E major chord. Now E major tuning sounds great, and it's what you've been listening to. Completely barring a fret gives us a major chord. If we slide back one fret on the G sharp string, that's going to give us our minor chord. And these chords sound really good. I'm Scott. I hope you had a really great July 4th, and I'll see you soon.